What are they shooting at? Too far away. It's too far away. I know, they aim right for the building. Yeah! It's out of our distance. It's out of our range. Damn! I take that back. Ziggy Zig, your mama!
I'm gonna fuck his mother. No, I think you're waving the white flag. No mercy. Ain't no mercy.
Ah, Ziggy Zig, your mama! Every day!
He's telling him what he did with the flag.
Huh?
He's telling him what he did with those two flags.
Do it again, but slower. What you just did. But they didn't really get the full meaning.
Fuck that. You know too many times to lose it, I mean. What do you want, chicken?
Here, look.
Come on! Come on! Fight! You yellow belly!
Listening or something?
It's donkey!
No, just the.
Hogan is an asshole! So are you!
He shakes in your hands. And you lose him. Get the tracing going.
Reagan! Ziggy Zig, your mama!
Fuck.
Sure. How do you know that?
Probably means teach her needle point or something.
Yeah.
It's not ziggy ziggy, zig zig.
Whatever the fuck.
Not ziggy zig.
I said zig zig.
Piggly Wiggly or something.
A piggly wiggly your mama.
Talk is cheap! Come on!
Just shoot and say they aim.
If one person number two is squealing, I'd be a private and eliminate.
Hey, it's time for good food there though.
Not everybody in the platoon.
One shot. No, that fucking place is gone.
There you go.
One accidental discharge. Come on, motherfuckers. Shoot.
Hey, I bet I give him to aim. Somebody stand up on top of us and just aim in at him.
You gotta be cool, man.
Nah, they're leaving now. They're going.
I'll go back to your squad.
I'll wait for the chance to get it.
They get, watch my rifle there. Wait a minute, don't take all my space here, goddamn.
I've almost at least a corner.
Can you see?
Yeah.
You know what building they're going for, right? Mm-hmm. That's where me and Sergeant Goss saw that earlier. Did you say they're going to shoot again?
Whale.
Where the hell are they going? Dad, gone.
They going to the back of valley.
That sucker was gone.
They went to the back of valley. I bet you can't find it.
Look at that.
Like this around something. Slow.
Hi. They went out of the world.
Sarah's supposed to say, they're shooting at me. Right there. There.
What?
That city captain gave us
Right up there?
No, that's short.
Is it where that smoke is up there?
Yeah.
They gotta be Cassidy. Yeah. Not Cassidy? Boy, that's good. They must be firing on the company pretty bad. Where you going, man? Shit. Damn it. Oh, knocking shit all over the place.
I knocked it over that
Yeah, you did.
I
You
did,
rock and rolled it, man.
accusing me and stuff, man.
You rock and rolled it. What's the matter with you? Huh? Dude, stop talking shit, man. I have to teach your butt a lesson. Uh-huh. Hey, listen to it, man. You think because you black, you bad. Ain't got nothing to do with it, man. Got a damn thing to do with it. Just because I'm white, I can talk shit, too. Yeah? Well, somebody's starting to do something. Huh?
Damn, I could have some food pictures on the jailhouse.
I can get the good shots on the jailhouse.
Yeah.
Come on, she's doing some throwing down, huh?
Yeah.
No, she's got concentrated fire all over us. Everybody.
Hell, you know, they are really just shooting the hell out of it. Look at that side of the mountain.
Yeah, I bet you
There ain't shit.
Over there, over there. Come on, get that. Yeah. Fuck, fuck. Give me a key. Hurry up.
Where's he at? Where's up with he at?
He's out to that fucking junkyard.
Where's he at?
I'm gonna fuck on his bike. I think they shot AT at him. I don't know. Chow. Oh, blow the hell out of that motherfucker. Go ahead, go for it. Ow! Motherfucker.
Close to it?
Yeah.
I don't know if you was allowed to fire, you know that? You can't hear no kisses right now, are you?
I don't give a fuck. I hit the fucking tractor again.
Fuck it, man. There's no place to hide on that fucking side.
Yeah, that's what you're beating the hell out of her.
Oh, hey, god damn!
Fucking live in a place. I like that shit.
You have to go left a little bit on your fucking shot stand, will you?
Alright.
Fucking maybe about 50 meters. Yeah. We're at it again. Where you fucking know?
Damn, boy, that shit was bad. They stopped firing, though. See, that smoke coming from down there, man.
Okay. I don't know. What? Hey, back. Hey, back, man. Shit. What's up? Hey, go tell the lieutenant where you seen that guy exactly at. We ain't got time for this fucking thing right now.
Leave it up front or back?
Going from the weed, or over to the side of the weed, where that sounded from. Let's see, let me get up here. It's all over, man. Hey, that was closer. It's all over.
Who was shooting? Fucking AR.
Goddamn raghead.
No, I don't know if the DR's returned fire yet, but the dad just goes around the
Here,
right
here.
there.
You want to find out where it's from? Hold this. Hold this.
Hold around. Anybody shooting here towards those Lebanese positions?
Yes, sir.
You do?
What's the Lebanese position,
yeah.
sir?
Where's this at? Hey, is that the Lebanese that we're shooting at? Where's that fire coming from on us?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Roger that.
Oh, this. I'm getting... This position ain't cool.
Hey, make sure you live here.
Watch out, Jim.
You think that ain't such a good idea?
Right side Chocolate Hill.
Right side Chocolate Hill.
We're at it again. Where you fucking know. Damn, boy, that shit was bad. They stopped firing, though. See, that smoke coming from down there, man.